slipped that away to within 15 yards of the boundary, and the Indian skipper has done a tremendous job to get back there. Marvellous running catch.
Observation here for Kapil Dev to receive the trophy from Lord Carr, chairman of the Prudential Insurance Company. Tremendous performance by this Indian side.
He's complaining, but Clive Lloyd's making his position absolutely clear, and he said, look, if they can't behave themselves and we can't get on to this match, that's the end of that, and I'm awarding the match to the Sri Lankans.
And it's been a long time since a match has been abandoned, and you can literally see the tears in the eyes of Vinod Kamble. He knew that he was only a step away from a World Cup final, but he'll have to live another day to see that occasion.
He has the strike on 99. Works it away, and that is it. Brilliant Sachin Tendulkar. Outstanding achievement, and richly deserved for someone who's been so special in this.
That's huge. That is a biggie. It's out of here. 6 more. Just a flick of the wrist. This is in the air again. Clears long goal. 3 in a row. It doesn't. It's 4 in a row. 5. Yes. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away. Oh, has he? Yes, into the crowd. 6 sixes in a row. In the air, Srishan takes it! India win! Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room. And it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Wide, Muller gets it, and he gets plenty of it, does he? No! What a catch! Oh my God! I don't believe what I've just seen. Athleticism at its very, very best.
ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup champions 2024.